Hey, good morning YouTube and welcome back to my channel, Solo GS Rider. Uh, it's about, let's see what time it is. It's 5:50 in the morning and today we are riding a very long day trip. So it's a beautiful place. I haven't been riding for the last couple of days. I had some ear issues and uh, so I'm getting back to normal. So my ears are feeling really good. So I decided to go on a ride today with some friends as always. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. It's gonna be dark outside. I won't be able to show you much until it lights out. So I'm gonna meet my friends at the meetup gas station, which is Bucky's in Katy, Texas, and from there we just hop on the road. Talk to you all later. Okay, so we're here at the Bucky's gas station. We're ready for a hill country ride. Guys are having breakfast. Get out shortly here. So we just took a break here. We left really early in the morning, so I could not record everything what was happening, but we just took the break, water break, snacks, and we're just having blast.
What's up, garbage?
What's up, Ankur?
Yeah. Nice to see you guys. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere taking breaks.
Why did you call me when you were riding?
Well, I didn't know who was last.
I can't talk to you. I don't have Cardo and.
Oh, you don't?
No.
I call you on your. I thought you have a Bluetooth.
No.
Oh,
nothing.
okay. All right.
I see you ringing on. I'm not gonna. What am I gonna do?
No, because I thought.
60 miles an hour. I don't have anything. I don't have Bluetooth. I don't have anything.
Okay. All right. right, guys, so we made it here to Twisted Sisters. That's the place called. And yeah, we made it here, and now we're gonna do Three Sisters loop and have some fun. But look at this view around here, guys. This is the place for the gift shop and the restaurant right behind there. So far, it's been a fantastic journey. My ear is doing so well. No issue there, so knock on the wood. And guys just went inside and to get their stickers and all that for Twisted Sisters. So once they're back, we're gonna hop back on the road and go through those loop, and maybe we'll pull over some good spot where we can actually eat the food. So I got my new tire. This is the TKC 70s front, and this is my TKC 70 Rock for my rear. Yeah, so far it's been great. All right, guys, talk to you all later. All right, guys, that's it. We're done for the day. We're heading back home. Twisted Sister was awesome fun today. We enjoyed and had a blast. So now we're gonna go home and hop stuck on the highway. But beautiful view, great company. Nice breeze. Weather is just fantastic. All the way, cloudy, nice, cool breeze. No hot. So let's hit the road. Go home.